Hello, my name is Vlad, and today I'm going to talk to you about installation of 3D wall panels, and actually I'm going to show you a little trick. Now, there is a two way to install the wall panel, 3D wall panels. One, the traditional way you install the panels, you butt join them side by side. You fill the joint with a drywall compound, then you sand it smooth, and then you paint the entire surface. And what I'm going to show you today is a little trick how to make, basically it's like a shortcut. To do that, I'm going to use this type of molding, little edging. I found it at Home Depot. It's available in 4 feet length, about 1/4 inch width. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it, like these are my panels installed on the wall, right? Regular way, obviously. And now I'm going to install this little edging on top of my joints. I'm going to hide the joints. Now, in order to do that, I'm going to use Alex Plus paintable silicone and finishing nail gun. You can use the 18 gauge or you can use the 23rd gauge. I would recommend to use the 23rd because it's these nails basically look like needles. They have no heads, and that's why there is no need to fill the holes after that. You can paint them and they will be invisible. So let's start. I'm not going to use any adhesive. I'm going to use just the caulk. It's a first, just put a couple of nails to hold it on the spot to see if it's centered well enough. Second piece. Here we go. Now what we need to do, we need to wipe off the excessive caulk, and basically we saved ourselves a lot of time, because right now there's no need to fill any gaps in between the panels. Basically what we need to do right now is just to paint. So this way it's going to be much easier, much faster to install the panels, and also we'll add in a little extra detail. That's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to show you today. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channels, and as usual, thanks for watching.